Where is the USB?
It had the configuration file.
Old project files, backup of a backup. Photos of my cat. More photos of my cat. Something from 2002. Hi. Yes. I lost the USB. Yes. Again.
You know LED Tool has cloud search now, right?
What?
Just open LED Tool, enter the serial number, boom, configuration file.
That's it. No USB. No call in the factory. No waiting 3 days.
Welcome to this century.
I'm keeping one for emotional support.
Fair enough.